Carl from Inline Performance Magazine, and today I'm out with the Suzuki GSX-R 1000 for a very exciting video update. Today I will be showing you how the exhaust fan and the entire system sounds on this engine before we do any modifications to the engine or the exhaust cones themselves.
And now for some onboard footage and some drive-bys. So I hope you enjoyed the video of the stock exhaust sound before we did any of the modifications. Stay tuned for more updates on the Suzuki GSX-R 1000.